In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shape morphs in PowerPoint. This feature is an amazing way to bring your presentations to life, especially when you want to add some dynamic flair to static slides. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you know exactly how to breathe life into those static shapes and create visually captivating morphs. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Take a moment to locate the application and open it, and you're all set to dive into the world of morphing magic. Once PowerPoint is up and running, go ahead and open the presentation you would like to work on. It doesn't matter if you've already got a full-blown presentation or just a couple of slides. We're here to focus on the transformation one step at a time. Now navigate to the slide that contains the 3D model you'd like to morph. This is where the excitement begins. The content already on this slide will serve as your canvas, and your model or shape is the star of the show that we aim to animate. Right click on that slide to bring up additional options. You'll see a variety of commands, but the one we're interested in right now is duplicate slide. Click on it to create an identical slide that's ready for the morphing process. With your duplicate slide in hand, click on the 3D model or shape you initially placed. This is where we begin to introduce the changes that will effectively show off during the morphing transition. You can resize the model or shape, making it larger or smaller, and add a rotation to it. Play around with these dimensions until you find a transformation you like. This change is crucial for the morphing effect. Now that your model is set, make sure the duplicated slide is selected, then move your attention to the top of the screen to find the Transition tab. This is where we introduce the magic of morphing. Once in the Transitions tab, look for the drop-down menu of transition effects. You'll see plenty of options, but the one to focus on is Morph. Click it and PowerPoint will automatically apply this exciting transition between your original and duplicate slides. This morph transition gives an incredibly smooth animation effect that brings your static shapes or models into an animated space, seamlessly transitioning from one slide to the next. Take a moment to run the slideshow to see your creation in action. The crisp and seamless transformation is likely to captivate any audience. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a morphing effect in PowerPoint. Whether you're showcasing a new product, bringing life to an idea, or adding a creative spark to your slides, the PowerPoint Shape Morph feature is your new best friend. Thanks for watching, and happy morphing.